So now we move from Kyatmaki towards Chikmagalur. We're heading there and then we ride around Chikmagalur. Of course, before we get there, the roads are absolutely beautiful. Ghats, winding roads through the plantations. Lean करने में जो मजा आता है, it's awesome. Now we continue and we turn off towards the Malandur estates. ये रोड भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, छोटा रोड है, नैरो है, but scenic, beautiful with plantations left and right. And of course you have the vehicles and the jeeps which are in between. कभी कभार जाने नहीं देते हैं. But actually there's not much place for them to allow us to pass through as well. And we have to be careful of oncoming traffic. The ghats, the winding roads, the plantations. Now the plantations slowly start disappearing as we move closer towards the Muthodi forest area. So we are entering the general area. The actual forest will come a little further ahead. And here we are. This is the forest checkpost. It's a Muthodi Tiger Reserve. It's part of the overall Bhadra Tiger Reserve area, and we head into it. Unfortunately, I think tiger nahi dikha, but the scenery was beautiful inside the Tiger Reserve. Also, the roads are really nicely made. Mostly, of course, you will see the off-roads as we come ahead. Scenic, dense forests. And it is a pleasure to ride here. It is so beautiful, you can't even imagine. We were enjoying ourselves riding. It is about afternoon now, 3-4 o'clock. We still had quite a way to go, but we just couldn't help nicely winding our way through the forests. And here this is the actual place where people come and stay and go for the tiger safari from here. It's the Muthodi safari area. Seem to be a couple of nice places where we can stay. Probably make a note of it for next time, because we are right now staying further ahead, not near Chikmagalur, but I'll give you the details as we ride on. Just imagine what a pleasure this area must be, what fun it must be to ride through. The scenery, even though you're in the forests and you say the forests are the same, but the tree cover tends to change. Suddenly the way it looks tends to change. And the most tempting part is left or right को ये जो tracks जाते हैं ना, you really want to turn in and say let's do some trail riding, but then you have to respect nature. You are in a tiger reserve, so in a tiger reserve you're supposed to stay on the track for the sake of the animals and for the sake of yourselves, because what happens if you meet a tiger on the track? So we continue beyond. Now we are heading towards the destination for the evening. So there's a point where once you cross Muthodi Tiger Reserve area, there'll be one right and one left. The left continues towards the Bhadra Tiger Reserve and the right moves into the villages and comes out further near Babu Budangari. So of course we are still a long way off. More plantations, coffee plantations, off-road, and यहाँ से off-road actually काफ़ी challenging आया. Actually not so challenging as long gravel, broken roads. Broken road भी कम ही था. As you move ahead, it was just gravel, but it was good fun. It's a single track, and we had to switch the ABS off so that we could take the turn and brake if necessary, because while you all can't make out, gradient काफ़ी steep है, चाहे आप ऊपर जा रहे हो चाहे नीचे. As you can see, the sun is setting and we are riding on. Dense forest. Time to take a little halt and look around. It's going to be fun.
So this is our entire route जो forest track है. We are doing Muthodi to how do I बाबा something hill है, मैं आपको बताऊंगा बाद में. थोड़ा मैं नीचे I will show it. The track is mostly like this. If you see big stones, बड़े बड़े पत्थर हैं, and we have to go up this. ऐसे बहुत इजी लग रहा है. It's looking flat, but वो कैमरा में और रियलिटी में बहुत अलग है. So this is where we are, in the middle of the forest. And just to give you a context of how dense the forest is, आप सब जगह देख सकते हैं कि क्या है. तो सुरेंद्र सर, आज आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
Awesome. Guys, we are missing the ride. इतना घाट और इतने ऑफ-रोड ट्रेल्स जबरदस्त है.
So we will be sharing videos of other off-road trails and ghats जो हमने आज किए हैं. We are in the Bhadra Tiger Reserve area, going towards our homestay in Chikmagalur. उसके बारे में थोड़ा और डिटेल्स हम बाद में देंगे. एंड कहीं से अगर आप सुनेंगे कोई तो गाड़ी की आवाज़ आ रही है. आई थिंक गाड़ी आ रही है, तो हमें निकलना पड़ेगा क्योंकि हमने रास्ता ब्लॉक किया है. So see you guys later. Bye.
So as we climb higher, we are at one of the most scenic points of the trip, or at least of day 2. We already done Kyatnmaki, which was there in the previous video. वहाँ से व्यू भी awesome था, लेकिन ये शाम में व्यू थोड़ा कुछ अलग ही है. Suri, as you can see, is thrilled. Little editing to make you see actually what we can see. वो कैमरा कभी पूरा कैप्चर नहीं करता है. It was absolutely gorgeous. ये जो आप पीछे देख रहे हो, this is the entire Muthodi forest area, and towards the right is Bhadra, right and forward is Bhadra Tiger Reserve, and left is more towards Chikmagalur. So from here we will continue on towards Babu Budangiri, and this is generally the route which we are taking is a lesser known route. It is going to join Babu Budangiri road at a place called Kavikal Gandhi forest checkpost के थोड़ा आगे. So we've actually done an area, so जो मैं बता रहा था, Kolagave से we take a right towards this place Kavikal Gandhi forest checkpost, और वहाँ से हम जाते हैं towards Babu Budangiri side. So I'm sure you all will notice that the scenery is absolutely beautiful. And now it is time to check out for the night. We are staying at a place called Cloud 9. It's a coffee estate guest house, and at night we had a little bonfire. They gave us some snacks, starters, of course we had a drink too, and it was a well earned rest for the day. And it was time to rest ourselves for the next day, because tomorrow we actually ride into Bhadra Tiger Reserve. So look forward to that video, because that will also come soon. good night, and I hope you all like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe. You will get more videos, many more coming up.